This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, we all know how these bad actors have been tokenizing stocks in order to rob retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. And then after they make these counterfeit tokens, which I believe is a trademark violation, because in order for you to make something with an AMC logo or a GME logo or any other logo, you need the permission of that company. If you don't have the permission of that company, you are violating their trademark. Now it seems that DTCC has teamed up with Citi to create their own tokenized assets. So it seems that DTCC will be offering tokenization services to all the market participants. And here's the thing. From my limited understanding of it, I believe they just will be tokenizing assets that these managers, that these companies have the authority to tokenize. So it shouldn't be a trademark violation. But what I've learned in the last 36 months is things that start off great, the bad actors find a way to manipulate it so they can rob from retail investors, from pension funds, and from institutions that follow the rules. Now, if AMC goes through DTCC and decides to tokenize their shares, now we know exactly how many shares there are. It will be hard for the naked shorters, to duplicate it on the blockchain. It would be almost impossible. But will they find a way to get around it? Will they create another blockchain with counterfeit AMC shares? Would that be possible? Of course it would be possible. Everything is possible with these bad actors when it comes to the United States stock market. But I believe, and this is just my opinion, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. I believe, if done correctly, the tokenization of assets on blockchain will put an end to a lot of the fraud and corruption in the market. And all these FTDs that disappear overseas might start coming to an end. But it all depends on if the SEC, the DOJ, the DTCC is gonna enforce the rules of the market. Because if they know the float is 1 million shares, for example, and they see 1 million shares sold on blockchain, then if 1 million more shares are sold the next day, they should know that, guess what? These are counterfeit shares. So all the rules, all the blockchain, all the safety protocols that are put in place means absolutely nothing if nobody's going to enforce it. If there's 1 million AMC shares on blockchain, and that is the float of AMC, but the DTCC keeps allowing the trades to happen, does the security of the blockchain matter? No, it does not. Okay? All these new rules, all the new technology, everything they're putting in place to give the impression that they want a fair and transparent market means absolutely nothing if nobody's going to call the bad actors in and hold them accountable. It doesn't matter if the shares are on blockchain. It doesn't matter, because they will credit your account and tell you the shares in your account when they are not there. If the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI, the DTCC, FINRA aren't enforcing the rules of the market, aren't calling the bad actors in and holding them accountable and putting their license to trade at risk for engaging in fraudulent activity, then everything else doesn't matter. Blockchain, tokenization, all the other new technological advances are trumped by humans refusing to do their job. I mean, that's really the bottom line. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that the DTCC working with Citi to create tokenization of assets on blockchain will stop the fraud and corruption in the stock market? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.